Okay, I wanted to try some Thai red curry. So this is what I made today. And so today's recipe is delicious Thai red curry. So let's start right away. And so here are the ingredients. You can use any amount of vegetables you like. I use green chili. Ginger really brings out the taste in the Thai recipes, as well as a lot of garlic. And I had a little bit of basil only because most of it went bad. So you can use more. And here's onion and bell pepper. Okay, we are going to use full fat coconut milk, and for that you definitely need the canned coconut milk. Okay, don't skip this because this is what's going to bring the authentic taste. So in this pan I already have 6 spoons of organic coconut oil, and I just added the green chili, garlic and ginger chop. Okay, keep it on low because you want to make sure that it really cooks well. After about few minutes I'm adding the onion. Make sure your ginger, garlic and green chili mix cooks really well for 5-7 minutes. Then you add the onions. Okay, so that way the taste and the flavor comes out even more. Okay, and keep it on medium to medium low. Okay, so this is the Thai red curry paste. It's vegan. I love it. Just buy it, make your life easier. And because I like intense flavors, I'm gonna add 3 big tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. Okay, and just mix it in. It's really aromatic, and that's what makes the red curry the Thai red curry. Okay, here I go adding the vegetables. After the paste has mixed in very well, I'm adding the vegetables. You can see I'm also adding some of the seeds from the bell peppers. You don't have to cut it out, you don't have to throw them in. Just eat as much as possible from nature, and don't worry about the seeds coming in or whatnot. Okay, you can also add some broccoli, some cabbage, some carrots, cauliflower, zucchini, whatever you like. Little bit of salt, only about put about like 1 teaspoon right now, because we're going to add a lot of things that have salt in them. So we already added Thai red curry paste which has salt, and we're going to add a couple more things, so we can adjust the salt always later on, but not the other way. So here's the secret sauce: coconut aminos, coconut garlic sauce. This is really tasty. It's organic, it has low sodium, gluten free, and it has no MSG. It is vegan. So buy this and add it. I'm going to add right now about 2 tablespoons. Okay, roughly estimated. Always we can adjust later, but we can't do the opposite. Okay, so just only add as I'm starting the recipe. Okay, this is a tamarind paste. I'm adding half a spoon right now. You can do actually 1 tablespoon, because later on I realized I could have done it a bit more. Okay, and we're going to add liquid aminos for a smoky soy kind of flavor. This is a natural soy sauce alternative, which is a healthier version. It has all the aminos, amino acids actually, and it's really good. Smoky flavor with a lot of depth. Okay, so I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons is fine. Okay, this is why I said add less salt right now. You can adjust later on. So this recipe has a lot of different complex flavor, a lot of depth. We added tamarind paste, we added the coconut garlic sauce, we added the liquid aminos, and then look at how beautiful these vegetables look. We want to cover it up and cook on low for about 7, 8, 9 minutes, so all the juices come out, all the flavors come out, everything mixes together. And now just add your tofu. You don't want to add tofu too early in the process because it'll become too mushy. So when you have done mixing all the spices, the flavors, and cooking the vegetables, the onions, the green chili chop, then you add that. And now we just add the coconut milk. You can see how it has the fat on top, and that's the reason why I love it for the Thai recipes. This is what's used. Don't try to use the box coconut milk, it will not work. You need full fat, and it actually has a lot of health benefits because it has healthy fats in it. So don't feel bad using it. Now just look at how beautiful our curry looks. It looks like vibrant reddish yellowish hue with all these beautiful vegetables and tofu, and just a little bit of black pepper, I think, really brings it together at the end. So about 1 tablespoon to about 1.5 tablespoon. No exact measurement for black pepper, come on. And here's the secret ingredient. It's going to give it that fishy smell. It's very nutritive. It's one of the superfoods. I'm adding about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of organic kelp powder. Kelp is a seaweed. It's rich in iodine. It is one of the best foods for cancer patients, prevention of cancer. It's one of the best for people who have low thyroid. It is one of the best for people who are having, issues like hair fall, skin, or who have ovarian or breast cancer. It is rich in iodine, so include it in your recipes. And here I added organic coconut sugar. That little bit of sugar will give it that sweet taste that you see in the restaurant Thai red curry. Okay, so add coconut sugar, and again we can adjust the sugar also later on, but not the other way around. So make sure that you go on the conservative side right now. Okay, here I'm adding one little organic basil I have. I used up the remaining of it already in a different recipe, so just you add a whole bunch. Our Thai red curry is ready, and you can pair this with quinoa, some rice, whatever you like, or just have it as a soup if you're really conscious about the weight. But enjoy it, let me know how you like it, and make sure to subscribe. And here is your next video. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.